Hello everyone, welcome to ThinkComputer YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain about propositional logic, what is a proposition, types of propositions and about logical connectives. So let's begin. Okay, the first thing we have to understand is what is a proposition. Well, we can say that any statement that can result in true or false can be called a proposition. For example, if I say I am studying. So if I say I am studying, then I may be saying the truth or I may be lying, right? So the statement I have given here, I am studying, can be true or false. This is a proposition. Okay, now proposition can be valid or invalid also. For example, if I say what are you doing, okay, so basically here we are asking a question, and whenever we ask a question it is interrogative sentence, and this cannot be a proposition because the answer to this question can be anything, like what are you doing, I am eating. The answer can be I am eating, or I am recording a video, or I am playing, or I am studying. So the answer is not true false, it can be any value, correct? So this is an example of invalid proposition. Okay, then what is a valid proposition? The first example, any statement which can be true or false. Like I have given an example, I am studying. I can say it is raining outside. That can also be a valid proposition. I can say I am topper of my class. That can also be a valid proposition. I can say I live in India. That is also a valid proposition. So anything which I am saying, a statement which I am saying, which can be true or false, right, can be called a valid proposition. There are two types of proposition. One is called simple proposition and one is called compound proposition. Okay, let's take some examples to understand. Okay, if I write a single propositional statement, a single statement if I write, for example, I am happy. So this can be called a simple proposition. Basically a simple proposition is a single statement. Okay, but if I give examples of compound proposition, if I am saying that I am eating and I am in home. So if you see, there are actually two sentences, two propositions. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. So two propositions are joined together to form a compound proposition. Okay, that is what a compound proposition is. Another thing, if I write x equal to I am happy. So like I said before, I am happy is a proposition, right? It is also known as propositional constant or propositional statement. Here x is the propositional variable. Okay, so we can write like this also, it's a propositional variable, and I am happy, this thing, it's the constant, the propositional constant or the statement. Okay, now when you see the example of compound proposition, you will see there is a word which is joining or connecting both the sentences, correct? That word here is and, right? So these are called logical connectives. So there are total 5 logical connectives: negation, conjunction, disjunction, implies or implication, and equivalence. Let's understand how to use these in different situations. First of all, negation is a unary operator, unary connective. That means it will only be used with one proposition, but otherwise the remaining 4 are binary, means those will connect 2 or more sentences. So we can take examples. Suppose x equal to I am studying, okay, and y equal to I am eating. Okay, just 2 sentences I have taken. So negation will be written like this: negation of x equal to I am not studying. Okay, so whatever the statement is, it will be not of that. Let's talk about conjunction. If I say x conjunction y, okay, this is the conjunction sign, so it will be I am studying and I am eating. So for conjunction, the connecting word will be and. Okay. If I say disjunction, x disjunction y, okay, so the statement will be I am studying or I am eating. So for disjunction, the connecting word will be or. Then implies, x implies y. This will be if I am studying, then I am eating. So in case of implication or implies, we have to put the word if before the first statement, and we have to put the word then in between the second and the first statement. Okay, so the joining word will be then, and we have to start the first sentence with if I am studying, then I am eating. Okay, now next one is equivalence, x equivalence y. Okay, statement will be if and only if I am studying, then I am eating. Okay, so here we have to use if and only if before the first sentence, and then will be used as the joining word in between the second and first sentence. Okay, now negation sign can also be written like this. If it is x negation, I can write x negation as this. Okay, or I can also write x negation as this, or I can also write x negation as this. Okay, all three are same. For conjunction, if I am writing x conjunction y, so it can also be written like x dot y. Okay, similarly for disjunction, if I am writing like this, it can also be written as x plus y. Okay, similarly for implication, if I am writing x implies y, it can also be written as x dash plus y. And for equivalence, if I am writing like this, okay, it can also be written as x dash dot y dash plus x dot y. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you everyone for watching.